Hey guys, Anthony here. In this video, I'll briefly explain to you what the W-8BEN form is, also known as the Certificate of Foreign Status of Beneficial Owner for United States Tax Withholding and Reporting. If you earn any US-based income as a foreign, that is, a non-US individual or business entity, you will be required to complete the W-8BEN form. By completing and submitting the W-8BEN form, you're confirming that you are a non-US resident, the beneficial owner of the U.S. income, and claiming a reduced U.S. tax withholding rate or an exemption from withholding as a resident of a foreign country with which the U.S. has an income tax treaty. There are two main forms. The W-8BEN form is for individuals, and the W-8BEN-E form is for business entities like corporations and partnerships. The W-8BEN form is a one-pager and is much simpler to complete, whereas the W-8BEN-E form has 8 pages and is much more complex to complete. The W-8BEN form is sent to the individual or company through whom you're earning US-based income, so you do not need to send it to the IRS or Internal Revenue Services. If you do not complete the form, you will be charged the standard 30% US tax withholding rate. By completing the W-8BEN form, you may be able to reduce the US tax withholding rate to 0 depending on the U.S. tax treaty and the article that applies to the type of U.S. income you're earning. You can download the official W-8BEN and the W-8BEN-E forms from the IRS website, along with detailed instructions on how to complete these forms. You'll find the link in the description section. You can also check these tutorials on how to complete the W-8 and the W-8BEN-E forms. Well, hope this helps. Thanks for watching.